Students, I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to start our chapter number 12, and the name of the chapter is From Zalata's Diary. So first of all, I will tell you about the writer. Zlata Filipovic is a Bosnian writer and a documentary film producer, and she is well known for the diary, means the diary, the chapter we are reading. She was well known for this diary as she wrote this diary when she was only 11 to 14 years, means she had completed this diary in 3 years. And in her diary she wrote about war the war which was going on at that time, or which was held at that time, Bosnian Civil War. So now let's begin. So in through this diary, different characters she also mentioned in her diary. Like first one is, she gave the title to her diary, means she even given a name. She also gave a name to her diary, and the name was Mimi. Maza was her friend. She also discussed about her friend also, Irena Vidipovic. She was the teacher of FIPA. FIPA is the nickname of the writer. And this diary was set during the Bosnian Civil War. And this when she wrote this diary, and I had already told you that she was only 11 to 14 years, and she wrote about the war which was held at that time. And in her diary she recorded her experiences of a living as a child in a war zone, means how to live in such conditions, how to live in such circumstances. She recorded each and everything in her diary. First of all, she told us that the schools were closed down. The students were promoted to next grades. As a child, firstly, she talked about the schools, as she's a school going girl, and the schools were closed down. The students were promoted, even the students were promoted to next classes according to the grades which they got at the end of the previous exams. Then in her diary, in her entry diary, she also talked about the lack of electricity. Even people were facing a lot of difficulty. They also faced electricity problems. Food was getting spoiled. They don't have any food to cook. They cooked up everything perishable on an old. Whatever they want to cook, they cook on a wooden stove. And an unplanned, they were not decided that what things they would eat. So it was an unplanned feast. Even her young age, even she was very young at that time, Zlata realized how even necessities were becoming scarce, that she was so much worried about everything, that how these things caused worries even to the youngs and even to the elders also. Then on the same year she wrote talked about many, even she also talked about not only the human beings, she talked about the abundant animals also, which they saw in Sarajevo, where she was staying, where her hometown was. As she gazed out of her window, she reflected on how wars did not spare even the animals. When she looked out of one day, when she saw out of her window, she saw that so many animals, they were roaming on the roads, means even the masters of the animals, they were not able to keep their animals with them because they don't have the enough food to give them. Zlata was moved at the incredible labor. Then she moved on. She talked about her mother, that how difficult it was for her mother to bring the water to their home. And since washing, cleaning and bathing all need to be done with a jug, they had only a one jug with which they had to wash, clean and bath themselves. Then on October 1992, when it was Zalata's father's birthday, there was a she wanted to celebrate her father's birthday. So her friend Maza, she let her know that, and at that same time her friend also came to her home, and she informed Zlata about UNICEF week. So it was a week, it was kind of a, you can, seminars for the people were planning to publish a child diary in through that UNICEF. Zalata came to know that that newspapers, they are going to publish a child diary. This organization was going to publish a diary, child's diary. So Zalata decided to give her diary, as she sent some pieces of as she had sent along some pieces to read at the city assembly. So few of the things she read at the city assembly. She had just got to know that her diary was, and after few days she came to know that her diary was selected as one of the best diary for the publication. Means her diary was published in the got a publication. I hope the chapter is clear to all of you. Thanks. Have a nice day.